Hiya everyone. Right, next for the video I've got a little card here of me lovely dear friend Mia. This is the little envelope it came in, so that's my PO box, but I'm going to keep that hidden. She always sends little stamps like that, and it's lovely. I love receiving mail, especially from the USA as well, like that with the stamps on. The card is absolutely beautiful. Look at it, it's so pretty. She always sends such thoughtful card. I've kept everything she sent. And she's dated it, so 4th, so it'll be like 29th of the 4th, so this was April. Hi Lauren, I'm thinking about you all the time. I love to watch your videos over and over again, but it makes me miss you. I can't wait for the pandemic is under control and we can see each other again. I'd hope you and Martin and Jordan are all well and your animals are all well and happy. We're all doing fine, staying at home together, thinking of you. Love, Mia. She's an absolute doll. She's so pure. I love her to bits. Now this is so cute on the other side, right? So first of all, she always sending us makeup looks to do on Instagram. So she cut these out in here to put in, so I have to do this makeup look. So we're going to be doing, I think it's a Zoe Dutch. Mia says it better. I'm not sure, but she's called Zoe, and we're going to be doing this look next, okay, in a video. We've got to. She's even sent us a list of products to use, so we're going to have to do them. And then I'm not quite sure who that is. I think that's Selena Gomez. No, it's not. Is it? We'll find out. Mia will know. So we'll do them as well. That'll probably be work on Jordan or Martin. We'll do that look. And it's such a pretty card. And then look. She's just so cute. Absolutely cute. So that came today, and that really put a huge smile on my face. I keep that safe. That gets put away in the memory box, all my other letters off her. And then I got this as well. I don't know who it's from. I'm guessing, I think I know, but I'm not too sure. So we've got a little brown parcel here. And just get in. I've got my little, where have I put it? Ah, there it is, my little stabber. Got to be careful, I don't rip anything in it. Nope. Oh, it's been wrapped with beautiful, beautiful flowery paper. God, that pigeon is just headed for the window. And the other day, Jordan was in his room and once started off his window really hard. So we ran out the front to see if there was anybody there, or if the pigeon was there hurt. And there was nothing there. It must have gone. I'll tell you a very funny story in a minute after I've opened this. So this looks beautiful. Look at the packaging. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I'm going to keep that packaging. Right, I'm going to have to be very careful how I open this. If I can. Oh, I can't. It's ripping. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh. I'm going to try and keep as much of it as I can. That is so beautiful, the packaging. Oh. Oh, lovely. Right. This is brilliant. Who's it off? I don't know who's it off. You're going to have to tell us, who is this off? I'm really not sure. There's no letter at all. There's nothing. Who is this off? So, Nature Republic Rose Real Nature Foam Cleanser. Oh, let's have a smell. I can't wait to have a smell. Oh, it's got a cap on again. I'll keep doing that, don't I? If it's new, it's going to have a cap on, Lauren. Oh, I put it on the other hand because I've got Burt's Bees on that one. Oh, that is lush. That is so nice. So this is a foam cleanser. I can't wait to have a try of that. It all looks like it's from the same brand. Nature Republic. This must be PR, is it? It's beautiful. I don't know who sent this. Oh, look at that. Oh, that smells like rose. Rose Turkish Delight, and it feels lush. Oh ho ho ho. To get that off my hand. That is lush. It smells beautiful. Oh, and I get that. Oh look, I've made it into like a big foamy. Oh, that smells lovely. It's nice and gentle smell. It's not overpowering, but it's like rose. That's very nice. Put that there. That can go in the bathroom. Oh, Canola Honey Lip Balm Intensive Moisture. These are exciting. I didn't have a clue this was coming. What we got? Let's have a look. Innisfree. Ooh. What have I got? I've got cleanser on my nose. Have to put that there because I can't smell anything yet. Oh yeah, I smell it now. That's nice. That's nice. It feels lovely as well. What is in this? I can't read it. It just is intensive moisture. It is pretty intense. Another little lip balm for my bag. This is exciting. What is this? A fast and effective bedtime duo to ease you into a deep and naturally restorative sleep. Oh, look at this. What is it? Oh, stress check roll on. Apply to wrist. Hang on, we'll get this open. I'll show you. This is really, really exciting. So what have we got? Okay. So we've got a deep pillow spray, a deep sleep pillow spray. I love these ones. They usually smell like lavender. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love the smell of lavender and lemon. Lemon and lavender are my favourites. I love lemon the most. I got a L'Occitane lemon verbena. I absolutely adore it, but it doesn't last 5 seconds and then it's gone. You've got to put more on. These are... Oh, so I'm going to go to sleep. That's very nice. I love pampery stuff. I can't get the roll on off yet because I've been playing about with the creams. Oh, so this goes on the wrist. Roll on the pulse points. Enjoy the scent and unwind. I bet you it's the lavender again. Oh. Oh, that is very lavender. That's lovely. I'm going to be knocked out before dinner. Oh, I like. Ooh. I love the wrapping as well. Everything is just beautiful about this. Ooh, what's this? Nature Republic Snail Solution Hydrogel Mask. I've never seen anything like that before. Snail Solution Hydrogel Mask. Right, so hydrating and skin restoring hydrogel mask formulated with 100,000 ppm of snail secretion filtrate. We'll give it a go. The concentrated snail solution is effective especially for dull, uneven skin tone and sagging skin. Yeah, that's me. How to use. After applying a toner, pull out... No, don't come in here. That was a big bee or a hornet or something. It was coming in here. Right, so it says, after applying toner, pull out the hydrogel mask from package and unfold. 2. Apply the hydrogel mask onto the face from the lower chin part of the mask and move upward toward the forehead. Remove hydrogel mask after 20 minutes. Gently pat any remaining formula into skin. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Do not reuse the mask sheets. Oh, right. I'll give that a go. I was going to do a different mask tonight, but I think I'll play with that one instead. Oh, vitamin C. I always say ooh a lot because I'm excited. Skin Refining Nature Republic Vitamin C Mask. This is probably like the other stuff, the Nip and Fab, but it's all bright. It's vitamin C. It's a brightening, and it's quite peppy and smells really fresh and lovely. Skin Refining. I can't wait to play about with these ones. I've got a tea tree. Oh, tea tree. Sebum Care. Real comforting mask. Tea tree oil's good for spots and acne. So, right, okay. Yeah, brilliant. That's going to be soothing. Then Sensitive Skincare, Allantoin. Real comforting mask sheet. And then there's 2 more. Oh, another snail solution. Collagen, Radiant Complexion. Real comforting mask sheet. I could do with a bit of collagen in my face. It's starting to go a bit. A little bit. It's getting there. Snail Solution Mask. This is another one. This one's 2,000 ppm. I'm assuming it's just a smaller version of the big snail. I like how it's all sparkly. The lush packaging. It feels amazing. You feel like special opening it all. Really nice. I can't wait to have a play with these. Really. Thank you so much. Really excited about these. So I'm going to look the company up online. I'll do a link for you as well. This is just beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And I love the packaging. It is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Really, thank you so much for all that. Beautiful. Well, that was a shocker, a surprise, real nice. Thank you very much. Can't wait to mess about with all that now. I'm going to do some swatches for Instagram with the Burt's Bees stuff, and I can't really do any swatches with these, but keep updated because I do mask faces and scary things with them all. And I'll tell you how I'm getting on throughout my videos with all the products because there's lots to use here. It's exciting. I'm going to take my face. I'm going to do a makeup look now, and then I'm going to take my face off with this tonight and give it a go. And then what else have I got? I'm going to play with a mask. Well, I can't wait. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed. Stay safe. Stay tuned for some makeup looks coming up. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.